ladies and gentlemen. Let's get some dirt action in. My boy Tony with me. Out here in Lano. Cleared hot. On the KTM, man, probably, man, maybe November, end of October. Yep. No, that's a good idea. Know what everybody's getting into. You got some water, but not a lot. I'm still going to slow down and treat it like it's full of algae, because there is some algae in the middle. Yep, here we go. Here's the prettiness. Take it in, guys. Isn't it awesome? This is really packed down, Tony. I've been on this. Yeah, I've been on this. Yeah, and it's just like, well, very, very good. We'll see. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you're not gonna block the road. Not there. Yeah. I'm telling you. So I'm trying not to get too cute, no corners, Tony. Just, you know what I mean? Yeah, you're doing good though. Yep. Yes. That's what I was saying. Like this right here. Yep. So pretty. Oh yeah, dude, they've knocked so much sand off. Go Tony, go Tony, go Tony. Take your time. Yeah. Not bad. It's not bad. I'll turn around. Yep. Yep. Looking good, Tony. Looking good, man. All right. Well, hey, let's keep it moving. Sir. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that, Tony, and honestly, the cold just makes me kind of, you know, freezes me kind of, you know. It just, when I say freeze me, it just kind of like it makes it hard for me to move around. This is a nice step up, Tony, just so you know, on the other side. Oh, it's deep, dude. It's nice and deep. I'm gonna just take it easy. Oh, there's two of them in there. Thanks, guys. We appreciate you. But yeah, but I mean, you know, definitely will remember this. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's scenic. But this here beats, you know, taking the asphalt to the main road. You know what I mean? Yeah. So. No, we're good. Yeah, we won't need to backtrack. Yeah, we won't need to backtrack. No doubt. Yeah, yeah. She waved too. She's very nice. And then she was worried about her chicken. Yep. Very pretty out here, man. Guys, if you can, treat yourself. Don't cheat yourself. Get out here and ride. I promise you, you won't regret it. You'll enjoy it. I was like, I'm about to be airborne, baby. Honestly, boy, it'd be nice if they fixed it. It is, it'd be nice if they fixed it though, because you know. Oh, dude, they fixed it. I'm so glad we, dude. Yeah, they fixed. Tony, when I say it was, see, look, you can see the old one. Yep, that was the old one. I'm gonna get off real quick, Tony. I'm just gonna pull as close as I can. That way. Dude, this is so nice. I had no idea they completed this. I'm so excited, man. No, it never got washed out, Tony. It was just too dangerous. I mean, look at the bridge. I mean, this was the old bridge, Tony. Right that right on this side to the left here. Look at us, looking like $1 million. Dude, I had no idea they freaking did it. That's so awesome. Hopefully it'll be awesome. See, I might have to come back here and do some fishing, man. I'm telling you, Tony, that old bridge to the left that they built this one right next to over, ooh-wee. It was like not quite sudden death, but I mean, look, you knew if you screwed up, he was gonna go off. Have you been over here, Tony? Okay. Yeah, I'm telling you, man, I failed us just then when it came to finding the dirt, but it's on. Yes, it is, but it's further down. It is dirt. Did you want to like try to film something? I mean, it ain't a lot of traffic, Tony. It's up to you. Did you want to try to film something or no? Or huh? Can you hear me? Okay, or did you want to try to film something or?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna pull over on this the sand over here. Yep. Got a little algae. Yeah. If it was the KTM, I probably would have been bold and did something. I'm not gonna say I would have done a lot, but I'd have done something. You know what? I've almost looped it twice now, Tony. You know what, Tony? I know an even better place. I do. Can we just go there real quick? All right, guys. So been out here in the hill country here today, riding with Sir Tony, Uncle Tony, my main man. But this thing is definitely impressing me. Getting it out here on the dirt road some more. I'm just using enduro mode, man. But it's been a good mode for me. I'm actually impressed with how confident I feel in the tires. Now look, that can all go away really quickly. I also bought some Cyclops lights for like $120 something. Just something that'll give me better light at night. But yeah, so far so good with the bike, man. It's been great touring. I took the top box seat. For me, I like the look of just the side boxes on, but hey, you guys tell me. What do you prefer? Do you rock no bags at all? I see some guys, they even take off the rear rack and they just go naked. And I thought about doing that, and I would only do that if I kept and just use my Moscow Moto bags, which you can see I didn't do that. But yeah, guys, hopefully everybody has had a good week this week, man. I'll tell you, I know it's storming in California. It's crazy, Hollywood sign being covered in snow, but you know, that's how life is, man, full of surprises, right? But anyway, I thank you guys for watching, support me, man. If you guys are curious, this is in Llano. This is a park that I use as my home base. I usually park my truck when I bring candidate KTM here into ride in Llano, because I'll be honest, I'm not going to ride the 60-70 miles here on the KTM just to hit 150 miles. But yeah, this is a nice park for that, man. I really enjoy this. And as you can see, you know, we pretty much have the place to ourselves. So, you know, I know a lot of people, they're really secretive. They don't like to give places away, but look, man, this is in the public. You pay your taxes. Come out here and enjoy this, man, if you're in this area. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. BMW's been great. Hopefully I can whip out Candy, the KTM, here in the next week or two, because yeah, it's been a while. But I definitely enjoy, you know, ride the BMW, guys. We appreciate you watching. You can see Uncle Tony. He's getting ready to do him some filming. That's a good guy, man. You guys need to subscribe to his channel. He's definitely supported me, and I'm grateful. There's also Cooper's Barbecue, so you can definitely go to Cooper's Barbecue if you are in Llano. And thank you to the gentleman who told me I was pronouncing Llano wrong. I used to call it Llano. It's Llano. So just in case I didn't tell you guys, you know, I really like this bike, right? Like, I'm not gonna lie to you, it was a little intimidating at first. I mean, there was okay. I was at work for a meeting yesterday. I was in the office. I'm sorry. And the security guard, real nice guy, man. He rides the Gixxer and he's looking to get a Yamaha Bolt, which I didn't know that they stopped, Yamaha stopped producing cruisers, man. That really caught me off guard. I had no idea. I had to look that up. But anyway, he's going to get a Yamaha Bolt, and I told him, I was like, look, man, you got your Gixxer. I'm happy for you, but try out an adventure bike. So I put it on the center stand. He got on it, man, and his eyes, it was almost like he was seeing the light of the adventure bike. So anyway, I thought that was just a funny story, man, because he just happened to walk up, and I was just like, it was a guy, man. We were riding out there in the hill country, right outside. We were in Rock Springs, to be exact, and a guy pulled up on a BMW. He had a 1200 non-GSA, and I'll never forget this guy, man, for as long as I live. He was like, dude, you want to ride it? Because I was on my Africa Twin at the time. He said, you want to ride it? I was like, man, you mind if I just sit on it? He said, dude, here are the keys right here. So I try to make sure I do the same thing. So guys, if you're ever in my neck of the woods, you want to sit on it, you want to ride it, look, take this thing for a ride, man. I mean, I can't tell you how much time I would have saved had I had an opportunity to ride some of these other bikes. So, because things like Twisted Road I didn't know about, until a year or two ago. So, but yeah, if you know me or you can get a hold of me, look, ride this bike, guys. If I've ridden my dual sport with you, guys, ride my bike. You can ride Candy to the KTM too. I don't care. I want you guys to have an opportunity to, get a feel for something different, something that, you know what I mean, that would have been hard to, because going to the dealer and they're not always all that thrilled about you taking some of the bikes out, or you just don't feel all that hot just walking up to the dealer and saying, hey, you mind? So, hey, yeah, man, come and check it out. So here are my highway pegs. So far so good. They're like 30 something bucks on Amazon. I'm enjoying them. Really enjoying the top box, even though I don't have it on right now. I'm really enjoying my side cases, man. I'm super thrilled about that. Super pumped. I was talking to some folks the other day, and I think what I may end up doing, so I think I'll go ahead and see if I can get a Zumo XT. That way I can swap it over to Candy, the KTM 500, and go back and forth. I think that's a pretty good idea. I also thought about getting a taller windscreen. I thought about getting the attachment, but I am so tall, it may just be better off if I get a taller windscreen. You guys let me know. I'm 6'2.5". I have a 32-inch inseam. I'm definitely taller torso wise than I am leg wise, if that makes sense. So yeah, I think that's about all I got, man. This video, I guess it's a wrap. Uncle Tony and I know he's hungry. I'm hungry. I'm as hungry as a hostage. Or like I used to tell people, I'm so hungry I can eat a hostage. So guys, thanks for tuning in again. Y'all guys take care. Be good to yourselves. Take care of your family. Look, if it's been your birthday here recently, happy late birthday. If your birthday's coming up, happy birthday. If it's been your anniversary, happy anniversary. I want to celebrate you guys. Because, hey, man, every now and then we all need a pat on the back. We all need to be celebrated. So, love you guys. Y'all take care. Be safe. Later.